close till I get up. Time is barely.
So there are like different cuts that you can do with ropes and whatever different designs. Then also these stencils, and I have bleach here so you can put a stencil on your clothing item. Then spritz this or spray the bleach, and you will have like the silhouette of this here. Then we have dye, natural dye out of cabbage. Cabbage is very reactive, so here we can add baking soda to the first one. Let's see. You can come closer, it will change color. I think this one is purple. See, there's a bit of a difference. This is blue now. It will become pink.
This one.
Yes. You see, that's more pink if you compare this. And this is dark purple. So 3 different colors.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And how did you get this yellow color?
I did it with the turmeric. I put water in the shoe and then I put the turmeric seasoning on it. And now I'm gonna dip them into the cabbage dye.
Okay.
And then see what happens.
This is one of my favorite shirts, but I thought it was boring. I never knew how to put it on because it's very basic. So I didn't tie-dye. I put in bleach, then I wrapped the thing around it, and I put it in color for, I don't know, 10 minutes, and this is the result.
So, my masterpiece is made of some bleached forms, which look so good. And then we have a galaxy, which is a bloody galaxy. And then we have Praxis.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.